How many of you, like me, are tired of digging through a pile of pots and pans every time you need to cook a meal? Let's say goodbye to the chaos and get a pots and pans organizer. It allows you to neatly store your cookware, making it both efficient and accessible. No more fumbling through the cabinet or drawers to grab the one you need. There are so many options out there, and this one is renter friendly and so easy to put together. You can use it both vertically or horizontally, whichever helps you maximize your kitchen space. And you can adjust the space between the slots, letting you customize it to fit your different size pots and pans, which is what I had to do in the end. Don't forget a lid organizer to keep those neat and tidy as well, and you'll thank yourself the next time you need to cook.
Amazon home hacks. If this clutter looks familiar, grab these slim cabinet organizers that pull and rotate, maximize vertical space, and work in any cabinet in your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and laundry rooms. And utilize every square inch of kitchen cabinet space with these corner shelves that allow you to easily stack all of your dishes, pots, and pans.
Genius Amazon Home Find. These are the coolest storage containers. Each one has a specific feature or accessory, like this dusting tool for icing sugar, a magnetic leveler that fits right into the container for ingredient measuring, a built-in terracotta stone that keeps your brown sugar soft and fresh, a convenient lid spout for mess-free pouring, and this mini container that's great for baking soda or spices. They even come with labels to optimize pantry organization.
Amazon storage idea. If your kitchen is small or you're low on storage space, this 4-tier cart might be exactly what you need. The drawers are spacious and swing out for easy loading. The cart itself is very compact and easily fits into tight spaces. Helps you keep the counters clear and save space in your pantry.
I hate shuffling through messy refrigerator shelves just to find forgotten food in the back. This Lazy Susan refrigerator hack means no more shuffling and effortlessly find whatever you need. The rectangular shape has more usable corners, and the unique heart-shaped track allows the tray to effortlessly rotate 360 degrees, instantly organizing, saving space, and saving me money on forgotten food. I love this Amazon find. In bio under Lazy Susan Organizer.
Need more space in your refrigerator? This egg holder is for you. It's nice and slim, so it fits anywhere that you need. More information in the caption below.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my D, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
Dance for me, never see anybody do the things you do before. Move for me, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it better again. I said, dance for me, never see anybody do the things you do before. Move for me, hey.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it better again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my D, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I sing to every time. And for my I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna try. And now I'm ready to see you dance just one more time. So they say,
dance for me, and never see anybody do the things you do before. Move for me, hey. And you're done, I'll make you do it better again. Dance for me, hey. And never see anybody do the things you do before. Move for me, hey. And you're done, I'll make you do it better again.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.